How to fix smart lock not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart your device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Google Service Cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see apps. Search Google Service. Now click on Google Service Cache. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Google will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates and click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix smart lock not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.